Have you ever hit a place in your life, or you had this moment when you realize, you look at your life, you look at the work that you're doing, and you realize, this is not who I am. I cannot do this anymore. I cannot deal with the environment that I'm in. This is not who I am. I want something different. I know I can do something different, and I am unwilling to let this situation have the impact on me that it is having. I have to do something different. If that is you, then this video is for you. My name is Catherine Allen. I am a life and business coach. Prior to becoming that, I worked over 30 years in corporate America. I can tell you the reality of that for me is that the game that you have to play, it can be very taxing, and it's different for different people. So I am not saying that everyone has had this experience. This is my experience, and each of us individually have to make decisions based on our own experience. The game in corporate America, it's a game that the rules are different for different people. So in order to play the game, you have to know the rules that apply to you. I knew the rules that applied to me when I discovered that they were different. And for some years, I was willing to play it, and it did not have such a toll on me. But over time, 1 decade, 2 decades, 3 decades, it's like it actually took a toll. And I realized that it was not good for me. For some people, they were able to endure it. But each of us individually have to look at what is happening to us and what it is doing to us. For me, the microaggressions, just seeing how the rules are different for different individuals, and coming to a place that I have to save myself. I no longer wanted to play by those rules and let it impact me. Playing the game was having a toll on me. So for you, I would say individually, you would have to look and see what toll your environment may be having on you. And oftentimes when we are in these environments, because I can say for myself that we smile, we do everything we're supposed to do, we take the hits of the slants and just being treated a little differently. And one thing I will say that is really difficult is just carrying the burden of coming to work when everyone else is allowed to be human. When I say that, everyone is allowed to know that you can't be perfect, but you carry this burden, especially when you are an only. You may be an only woman, you may be the only person of color, or you may be the combination. So either of those situations, when you come to work, you carry this burden of being perfect. That is a heavy burden. And if you have experienced that, you know what I'm talking about. So years of that, years of just seeing the game being different, for me, it came to a point in my last role where I just realized I could not do this anymore. The environment was taking a toll on me that I actually was seeing a counselor because it was just too much. So when the company was going through the changes and sending work offshore, I was laid off, and I realized I could not look for another role that would most likely put me in the same situation. I would have to endure the same kind of treatment. And it's no guarantee that it would have been that, but I had so much evidence from the past to know and realize that what I was doing, that was where the culture was leading me. It actually took me 3 months to decompress, where I could even think about what I wanted to do. That was when I knew I had to do something different. That is when I decided to think about what do I want to do? And I knew it was time for me to save myself. The physical and mental toll that I had experienced, I didn't want that anymore. So I knew I've always liked helping people. I've been told that I can bring clarity in chaos. And for in the past, I had thought about life coaching. So I decided that, I think life coaching might be my path. And interestingly enough, I had formal training in behavioral science. So it was a natural path for me. It played into my natural strength. So I took the course to become a professional certified life coach. But at my heart, I really wanted to help women who are in these environments where they are not being treated fairly or they want something different. I've always been interested in entrepreneurship because I believe in it. I actually discovered that digital marketing has a lot of depth to it in terms of helping an individual make an income and control their life with a lifestyle of freedom. In the past, I heard of online businesses, but I never really understood how individuals were making money online. But once I took the training and I learned about the business of online business, then I wanted to bring the combination together of the life coaching and digital marketing with a program to help women start their own businesses from the strength that you already have. So that was my turning point, and I was able to pivot from an environment that was not working for me. I absolutely love what I'm doing now, helping women with life issues along with starting a business of your own to give you the time freedom that you want and to create an environment that you want versus being in an environment that's not good for you. So, with that, I am really on a mission to help women to get the confidence that you need and to really realize that you don't have to resign yourself to the environment or the situation that you are in. There's no need for that. Oftentimes, we accept a situation, a work environment, because we have told ourselves that this is it. I just need to accept it. But that is not the reality of it. What to expect from the channel. Here, I'll be sharing mindset shifts, strategies for starting a digital business, how to turn your skills and experience into income, and how to find balance and fulfillment while you build. It's about more than business, it's about becoming who you were meant to be. And let me be very clear, I am by no means suggesting that you should up and quit your job. Absolutely not. My motto is to build something on the side of your job. The goal of my channel is to help you build the confidence in yourself to know that you do not have to resign yourself to stay in a work environment or to that is not good for you. You're not being respected, you're not being compensated. But more importantly, to tap into the strengths that you have, the skill set that you have, the expertise, the life experience that you have, that you can bring to market and package it in such a way that others could actually benefit from it. I have a gift for you. It is a guide entitled Tap into Your Zone of Genius and Monetize It. Within the guide, there is a prompt template that you can put inside of ChatGPT. You fill in the template with information about yourself, your skills, your expertise, things you like. It's just going to help bring to the forefront what might be a nice direction for you. You never know. So do check it out. Grab your free guide. The link is in the description below, and you may be surprised. If my story resonates with you, welcome. You're in the right place. This isn't just a channel, it's a community of women rewriting what success really means. So subscribe, stick around, and let's create freedom and income on your terms.